Usain Bolt is still awaiting result of COVID-19 test.
Saw that social media saying I'm confirmed of COVID-19.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Retired Jamaican sprinter Usain Bolt says he is still awaiting results of a coronavirus test, noting that he has not had any official communication from the Ministry of Health and Wellness. Bolt, the 8-time Olympic champion and world record holder in the 100 and 200 meters, reportedly took the COVID-19 test on Saturday the 22nd of August, ahead of a business trip overseas. He was expected to leave the island on Tuesday the 25th of August. On Monday morning, Bolt addressed the issue in a video he posted on his Instagram page.
Good morning, everybody. Just waking up, and like everybody has checked social media, saw that social media saying I'm confirmed of COVID-19. I did a test on Saturday to leave because I have work, trying to be responsible, so I'm gonna stay in and stay for my friends. And also, having no symptoms, so going to quarantine myself and wait on the confirmation to see what is the protocol and how should I go about quarantining myself from the Ministry of Health. So until then, talk to all my friends and tell them that if they come in contact with me, should just to be safe, quarantine by yourself, and just to take it easy. And just to make people know, be safe out there. Alright? Cool.
The legendary sprinter was present at a surprise birthday party at Football Factory on Friday the 21st of August, which had several local celebrities in attendance, such as footballers Raheem Sterling and Leon Bailey, as well as entertainers Ding Dong, Chris Martin, and Munga Honorable.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.